Your Kirby suffering from Techdrive Judder? I'm going to show a quick and easy tip. Don't forget everything used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products. Make sure to check those out at the end of this video. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be looking at Techdrive Judder. Now I had an email a couple of weeks ago and a lady was suffering from this. And there's a couple of reasons why. I'll put a link to a video at the end of this one on where I covered this and what could be causing it in the actual Kirby. But there is another reason why, and it means there's nothing wrong with your Kirby. It's just a natural effect that you get when vacuuming certain carpets. We'll dive in and have a look. Right, so there's a couple of reasons you might be getting Techdrive Judder. Yes, I've got a lot of hard wooden floors in here, and you're not going to get Techdrive Judder on there because you don't run your Techdrive on there. When you're vacuuming hardwood floors, you turn your Techdrive off. I've got the carpets, and the other carpets are fine, no Techdrive Judder. Now, I've got a sculptured mat, and if you've got a sculptured carpet or a sculptured mat, you are gonna suffer from this issue. So I'll quickly get the Kirby running, and I'll show you what I mean by Techdrive Judder. Now you can see from that clip, we're getting a lot of judder from the Kirby. Now there's absolutely nothing wrong with the Techdrive whatsoever. Like I said, at the end of the video, I will put a link to a video if you're getting it on normal carpet, but if you're getting it on sculptured carpet, it's absolutely normal. Now there's a quick way to cure this problem. One, you can turn off the Techdrive, but then good luck pushing it because the amount of airflow when it's attached to that carpet, I can't even move the Kirby when I turn the Techdrive off. The other way is look at the way your pile goes. And it's such a simple fix. Now, as with this mat here, if I vacuum this way and back, I'll get a lot of judder. But now I'll vacuum the other way and you see what happens. So what I'll do is I'll vacuum one way and you'll see the judder again, and then I'll spin the Kirby around and you'll see it just glides across your sculptured carpet or sculptured mat. And don't forget everything used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products. So make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so I hope you found this video really helpful, and as you can see, that Techdrive Judder is a really easy fix. Now, like I showed in the video, it depends which way you vacuum your sculptured carpet, and it's mainly sculptured carpet you get it on. If you just check the pile and vacuum the other way, you'll notice that your Kirby glides a breeze. So again, for those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any cool episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. For those of you getting Techdrive on normal carpets, then try checking out this video next.